Hello everyone. Kind of freaking snowing outside, ain't it? I don't know if I'll take the camera on it, but I want to show you guys a cold start up with the beast. It's a little freaking cold out here. As you see, it's snowing pretty freaking good. Fortunately, I don't know if I'll be able to take this out. I'm going to show you a cold start. As you guys know, 6.5 horse quantum. Finely tuned athletic machine. I can't make a guarantee on how easy it'll start, but with proper oil and lubrication it should start pretty easily. Not too bad. Not even a minute smoke. Got a nice custom exhaust on it. Gotta have that rumble. Whoop. But a little tone. See the custom exhaust. Oh, very custom.